Are you frustrated with your Windows 10 taskbar not working? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix this issue and get your taskbar back up and running. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Windows File Explorer. The first solution involves restarting Windows File Explorer through the Task Manager. Simply right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Task Manager, scroll down to locate Windows File Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart from the context menu. This should refresh the taskbar and resolve any issues. Solution 2. Use Windows Troubleshooter. If the first solution didn't work, don't worry. We have another method to fix the taskbar not working issue. Navigate to the Settings app and select the Update and Security section. From there, click on the Troubleshoot option and select Additional Troubleshooters. Look for the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and click on Run the Troubleshooter. This will scan for any problems and automatically fix them for you. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your Windows 10 taskbar not working. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.